Justdone AI versus Writeless AI. Which writing assistance is right for you? Alright, in the realm of AI writing tools, Justdone AI and Writeless AI offer distinct features tailored to different user needs. Now let's delve into their offerings to help you make an informed choice. Alright, so Justdone AI is an all-in-one platform designed for marketers, content creators, and professionals seeking diverse writing tools. Some of the key features: content generation, create articles, emails, and social media posts with ease; paraphrasing and summarization, refine existing content for clarity and brevity; plagiarism and AI detection, ensure originality and human-like writing; integration, works seamlessly with tools like Google Calendar and Trello. Now let's go ahead and look at their pricing. So we've got an unlimited monthly plan. This is all in AU, by the way, $19.99 per month. We've got a 7-day access for $2, then $39 per month. Then we've got the unlimited annual plan, which is $24.99 per month. All right, let's talk about the pros with Justdone AI. They've got a wide range of tools for various content needs, and they have a user-friendly interface. The cons: customer support issues reported, and some features may lack depth compared to specialized tools. All right, let's go ahead and check out Writeless AI. So Writeless AI focuses on academic writing, assisting students and researchers in producing high quality essays and papers. Key features: essay generation, craft well structured essays with real academic citations. Citation support, supports MLA, APA, Harvard, and Chicago styles. Plagiarism free content, ensures originality and bypasses AI detectors. User-friendly interface, simplifies the writing process for academic tasks. Now let's talk about their pricing. So they've got a free trial here, so limited access to features, or we can go on the yearly plan here, which is $9.99 per month or $120 a year. Right, let's talk about the pros and cons. So pros: tailored for academic writing with proper citations, quick essay generation, saves time. Cons: limited to academic content, not suitable for general writing tasks. Some user report issues with customer support also. Final thoughts: choose Justdone AI if you're seeking a versatile tool for various content creation needs, from marketing materials to professional communications, or opt for Writeless AI if your primarily focus is academic writing, requiring structured essays with accurate citations. Now, both of these platforms cater to different audiences, so consider your specific requirements to select the one that aligns best with your goals.